India is one of the most complex labor law environments in the world. With over 40 central and state acts, a workforce that is increasingly contract-based, and regulators who are becoming more active, compliance is no longer a back-office function. It is a strategic risk. And the firm you choose to manage it will define the outcome. Welcome to Trascom. Let me start with the reality most organizations face. India's labor law framework spans more than 40 central and state acts. The landscape is constantly evolving. The new labor codes alone are reshaping compliance obligations across every industry. Contract workforce compliance is the single biggest blind spot. When a vendor defaults on their statutory obligations, the legal exposure falls on you, the principal employer, regardless of who is at fault. And the consequences of getting compliance wrong are rarely limited to a fine. Inspections, penalties, reputational damage, operational disruption, they cascade. Most organizations are more exposed than they realize. Most compliance vendors treat that as just another account to manage. We don't. Trascom is a premium labor law compliance firm built on 25 years of HR domain expertise, legal authority, and technology innovation. We were established through the deliberate convergence of three capabilities. First, 25 years of HR consulting and organizational excellence through the CEO Group of companies, one of India's most respected HR practices. Second, deep labor law and legal expertise through Advait Law Chambers, our founding legal partner, bringing courtroom-grade rigor to every compliance framework we design. And third, technology-first thinking and HR automation through JZ Tech, which powers the platforms that make our service faster, more reliable, and more intelligent. Today, we serve over 100 enterprises across India. Our compliance specialists bring decades of domain depth. And our clients stay with us for an average of 8 to 9 years, not because they are locked in, but because they choose to. That is the most honest measure of a compliance firm's performance. Let me tell you what actually sets Trascom apart. First, you will never be lost in the crowd. Every client gets a dedicated account manager, a single point of accountability who knows your business, your risk calendar, and your workforce structure. Our senior leadership is directly accessible, not gate-kept behind a helpline. Second, speed when it matters most. When an inspector arrives, when a deadline looms, when a vendor defaults, response time defines the outcome. We commit to resolution speed that larger vendors simply cannot match. Third, proactive, not reactive. Our systems are designed to identify your exposure before regulators do. You get the time to act, not react. Fourth, technology that works for you. Our platforms automate the routine, flag the critical, and create an evidence trail that holds up under scrutiny. Technology at Trascom is not a feature, it is how we deliver reliability at scale. Fifth, regular advisory and labor law updates. Labor laws change constantly. New notifications, amendments, state-level updates. We keep our clients informed ahead of every change, so you are never caught off guard. And sixth, a partnership built on ethics. Our founders are known across the industry for their professional conduct. We do not win business through shortcuts or hollow promises. That standard applies to every engagement we take on. At the heart of our offering is the compliance control platform, the intelligence layer that sits at the center of your compliance ecosystem. It auto-generates your complete compliance task list based on your industry, geography, headcount, and workforce type. Nothing is missed. Nothing is assumed. Every obligation is risk-weighted, high, medium, and low, so your attention always goes where it matters most. Every compliance action requires proof. Evidence is uploaded, verified at multiple levels, and stored, creating an audit trail that withstands any inspection. And a live dashboard gives you real-time visibility across all your functions, locations, and vendors at any point in time. Without chasing reports. The platform can be deployed as your complete compliance system, or individual services can be taken on a standalone basis, depending on what your organization needs. The new labor codes are the most significant compliance transformation India's industry has faced in decades. 4 codes are reshaping wage structures, working hours, leave policies, and social security obligations, and most organizations don't yet know the full extent of their exposure. Trascom offers 3 capabilities here: audit and gap assessment, where we assess your organization against all 4 codes and risk weight every gap. Restructuring and advisory, where we design the changes needed for full compliance. And implementation support, where we stay with you through the operational rollout across HR, payroll, and compliance. You can engage us for a time-bound project or on an ongoing advisory basis as the codes are notified state by state. We have also built a wage impact calculator, so you can plan and simulate the financial impact on your organization before you commit to any changes. Our compliance audit services offer 2 distinct modes. The first is vendor audit. When you engage contractors and service providers, their compliance failures create direct legal exposure for you as the principal employer. Our vendor audit ensures every vendor meets their statutory obligations before it becomes your problem. We audit across 150 parameters categorized by risk level. Evidence is verified at first and second level, and where required, a third level random audit adds further accuracy. The second mode is enterprise audit, an independent, honest assessment of your own compliance posture before a regulator does it for you. Same 150 parameter framework. Risk-weighted scoring, gap analysis, and an actionable remediation roadmap. Both modes come with a dedicated audit dashboard, showing completion progress and compliance performance in real time. Let me give you a concrete example of what Trascom delivers in practice. A government-owned utility company faced severe non-compliance across more than 2,400 vendors. The complexity of managing vendors, many of whom provided services infrequently, left the organization exposed to significant legal and financial risk. Manual verification was neither scalable nor reliable. Trascom deployed our vendor labor compliance audit solution across all 2,400 plus vendors. We introduced an innovative self-funding model where vendors bore the cost of their own audits, driving progressive improvement in compliance behavior. A QR code system enabled instant verification of compliance certificates at the point of payment approval. The outcome: 100% vendor compliance achieved. Significant cost reduction, faster payment approvals, and legal risk fully mitigated. This is one example of how Trascom embeds intelligence into every compliance process. For organizations with large contract workforces, our contract labor compliance management system provides on-site, end-to-end management of the contractor life cycle. This covers onboarding and identity verification, including age checks and migrant worker declarations before the first day on site. Daily attendance and hours tracking against the statutory 48-hour weekly limit. Bonus administration and payment compliance. Safety incident recording and mandatory retraining before redeployment. Maternity welfare, identification of pregnant workers, differentiated task assignment, and ESI benefit support. And fraud detection, systematic safeguards against inflated headcounts, fake attendance records, and collusion between contractors and security personnel. This is compliance at the level of the individual worker, and it is a capability that most firms in India simply do not offer. Beyond our flagship solutions, Trascom offers a complete compliance practice covering payroll compliance, ESI automation, licenses and registrations, inspection handling with Labour Department liaison capability, with restructuring under the new labour codes, standalone compliance risk assessments, and training and awareness programs for HR teams and management. Each service is available as part of the full platform or as a standalone engagement, depending on where you need us most. Trascom serves enterprises across India's most compliance-intensive industries: manufacturing and industrial, pharma and life sciences, FMCG and retail, IT and global capability centers, logistics and supply chain, and healthcare and hospitals. Each sector carries its own compliance profile, and our team has deep familiarity with the specific challenges, regulations, and risk factors of each. Our clients include Amara Raja, Blue Star, Dr. Reddy's, Apollo Hospitals, Ola Electric, Pfizer, PepsiCo, Reckitt, and many others across India. Several of them came to us after working with larger, better-known compliance firms. The reasons are consistent: slow response times, difficulty reaching senior resources when needed, and quality gaps that only became visible during inspections, audits, or regulatory notices. What they found at Trascom was different. Not because we are the biggest firm in India, but because for us, every client matters equally. That is not a claim. It is how we have built this firm. Trascom was co-founded by three professionals whose reputations in this industry speak for themselves. S. Deenadayalan brings over 50 years of HR excellence, the founding vision behind Trascom, with a career spanning decades of enterprise transformation across manufacturing, pharma, and FMCG. Anand Gopalan is a practicing barrister trained at Middle Temple, London, the legal backbone of Trascom, bringing courtroom-grade rigor to every compliance framework we build. And PPK Mahindra brings 25 years of HR consulting and technology innovation, from DuPont shop floor leadership to building Trascom's full automation stack. Our operations are led by C. Sridharan, Chief Operating Officer with 4 decades of HR and compliance leadership. Supported by M.V. Prakash, Senior Vice President, who is your first point of contact, and C. Ramesh, Head of Operations, who ensures every commitment is delivered with precision. This is the team that delivers every day. Our engagement model is built around your specific situation, not a template. We start with discovery, understanding your workforce structure, geography, contractor ecosystem, and compliance gaps. We then map your actual exposure through a risk assessment before recommending anything. We design a solution that is relevant to you, whether that is a full compliance control platform, a targeted audit, or a specific standalone service. Implementation follows a structured onboarding. And from that point, a dedicated account manager, proactive alerts, and regular compliance reviews for as long as we work together. Compliance is not a commodity. Your partner should not be either. Trusted for what we do. Respected for how we do it. Built on principles, not shortcuts. Premium by design, not by label. Your partner in compliance, not just your vendor. If you are an organization that cannot afford to get compliance wrong, we would like to speak with you. Schedule a demo of our compliance control platform or any solution relevant to your organization. Reach M.V. Prakash at prakash@trascom.com or call +919743883000. visit trustcom.com. We look forward to the conversation. Thank you.